Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 10 a.m. Eastern time on Friday morning, 30 minutes into the trading day. It's non-farm payrolls Friday, folks. A decline of 701,000 jobs, the first decline for monthly payrolls since 2010. But the market really digesting it pretty well. All but expected, could have been worse. Really, it's the month of March. The volatility in the market's not coming in until the middle to the late end of March. The last 2 weeks, weekly jobless claims exceeding almost 10 million. So that number, the market digesting it. Let's get right into the charts. We'll start things off. S&P is trading at 25.17. We're looking at a 15-minute chart here. You see the volatility begin at 745. We were trading at about 2,500, slightly above that territory, as right now you have the S&P is positive by 3, trading at 25.20. You get the Dow negative by about 30. You have the NASDAQ positive by about 15. So all the indices coming into Friday trading pretty close to flat. Dow 30, 21,268. You see the dip overnight down to just under 21,000. Pretty low volatility again on that non-farm payrolls number. NASDAQ 100 currently trading at 76.38, climbing to the highs we had last night as well as where we were this morning at about 76.50. There's your crude oil market. You want to talk about some volatility. How about that spike yesterday, 10:30 in the morning? Trump says that he had talked to the Saudis and that they are working with the Russians, and there is going to be a production cut of between 10 and 15 million barrels of oil. Oil skyrockets in an instant to above $27. We trade back under $24 as of 1:30 in the morning. We also made it to that level, right away at 2 o'clock yesterday afternoon. But we were under 24 at 1:30 in the morning. And how about more than a $4 run in crude to 28.53, but we've given up almost $1 of those gains right now. Excuse me, $1, almost $2. I can't keep track of these moves. 26.73 from 28.53 at 8:30 this morning. Watch out for that crude market. Get some defined risk maybe if you're going to be in that crude market. Gold contract trading at 16.36 right now, and the euro US dollar trading at 107.91. And the headline we'll wrap it up with, get that banner out of there, 701,000 jobs, the decline in payrolls. And as we speak, ISM, non-manufacturing index, 52.5 versus 45. We'll talk about that when we get back. Live programming all day at TFNN. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back.